5-pack. An Amazon brand. Transform a computer's Type-C port into 4 individual USB Type-A 3. 1 ports for connecting phones, keyboards and other peripherals. Fast USB data transfer speed of up to 5 gigabits per second. Reversible design. Easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device. Supports USB 3.1 and is also backwards compatible with USB 2.0. Compatible with Windows 10/8. 1/8, Mac OS and Chrome. Easy installation. No drivers or power adapters required. Complete connection requires USB Type-A cables, sold separately, backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I really liked this one. My laptop had one USB-C port I was not using at all, and this adapter helped me to expand the available USB-A, which I currently use the most.